What if I told you that the single most powerful signal on a fast chart is not a fancy indicator, but one lonely candle standing against the trend? Yes, one candle. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to spot it, why it works, and the one rule that separates a real signal from a trap. Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. Today's setup uses zero indicators, no downloads, no settings, no complicated mess on your chart. Just clean price action on Heiken Ashi candles. And a pattern so simple, you'll start seeing it everywhere after this video. But here's the thing. Most traders see this pattern and enter at the wrong moment. They jump in one candle too early. And that one candle is the difference between catching the trend and getting caught by it. So stay with me till the end, because I'll show you real examples on a live chart, including a losing trade, so you understand not just when this works, but when it doesn't. That's how you actually learn. Quick but important note before we begin. Trading involves real financial risk, and nothing in this video is financial advice. This is education. No strategy wins every time, and past results never guarantee future outcomes. Only ever trade with money you can afford to lose. Deal? All right, let's set up the chart. First, the setup. Open your chart and switch the candle type to Heiken Ashi. This is important. Regular candles will not work the same way for this strategy because Heiken Ashi candles smooth out the noise and show you the true direction of momentum. Now set your time frame to the 15-second chart. Fast, yes, but that's exactly why the pattern becomes so clear. And for expiry, we're using 2 minutes. On a 15-second chart, that means our trade covers the next 8 candles. Remember that number, 8 candles. It matters, and I'll explain why in a moment. Now, the strategy itself. It has 3 parts. Watch carefully. Part 1, the trend. We wait for 4, 5, or even more candles of the same color forming back to back. Not 2, not 3, minimum 4. This tells us the market has picked a direction and there's real momentum behind it. If you see only 2 or 3 candles, do nothing. Patience is part of the strategy. Part 2, the pullback. After that strong run, we wait for exactly 1 candle of the opposite color. Just 1. This is the market taking a small breath. Weak traders exiting, the trend pausing for a second. This single opposite candle is your alert signal. Don't trade it, just get ready. Part 3, the confirmation. Now watch the very next candle. If the original trend color returns, that's your confirmation. The pullback failed, the trend is back in control. And now, on the candle after that confirmation closes, you enter in the direction of the trend. Let me repeat that entry rule, because this is where most people go wrong. You do not enter on the confirmation candle, you wait for it to fully close, and your entry is on the next candle. Entering early means entering on incomplete information. We never do that here. And here's why the 2-minute expiry makes sense. A trend that already printed 4 or 5 momentum candles, absorbed a pullback, and pushed back in its original direction, has shown its strength 3 separate times. We're simply giving it 8 candles of room to continue doing what it's already doing. We're not predicting, we're following. One more thing before we go to the live chart. This pattern fails when the market is moving sideways. If the candles before your setup are small, mixed, and choppy, skip it. This strategy only works when the trend candles are strong and clearly one color. A good trader skips more setups than he takes. Now, I've made a free PDF guide for this strategy, link in the description below. It covers everything we just went through, plus a 1-page entry checklist you can keep on your screen while you trade, so you never miss a rule when things move fast. Grab it, it's completely free, and come right back. Because next, I'm showing you this exact setup live on a real chart, candle by candle. And remember, we'll see both sides, the setups that work and the one that doesn't. All right, chart is open, let's go. All right, look at this chart carefully. This is exactly what we've been waiting for. Count the red candles with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and more. The sellers are fully in control here. This is not a weak move. This is real momentum. Now watch closely. Here comes the pullback. 1 white candle, and then a second one. And let me pause right here, because this is important. Our ideal signal is a single opposite candle. That's the perfect setup. But 1 or 2 opposite candles is completely fine. 2 is still just a pause in the trend. What we never accept is 3 or more, because at that point, it's no longer a pullback. It's a possible reversal, and we skip it. So here we have two white candles. Still valid, still just the market taking a breath. We don't touch them, we don't panic, we simply get ready. And now, the very next candle turns red again. That's our confirmation. The pullback failed, the sellers are back in control. So the moment this confirmation candle closes, we enter a sell on the next candle. Trade placed. Now the strategy has done its job, and our only job is to sit back and let the chart do the talking. Now this is the part nobody shows you. Watch what happens. Price starts moving in our favor, and then suddenly, a white candle pushes against us. And then another one, even bigger. Right now, price is fighting back toward our entry line. And I know exactly what you're feeling, because every trader feels it. That little voice saying, "It's going wrong, it's going wrong." But look, we did nothing random here. We entered after a confirmed trend, a failed pullback, and a confirmation candle. The setup hasn't changed, so we don't panic, we don't regret, we trust the process, and we watch. And look at that. The red candles are coming back in, the trend is waking up again. And there it is. The trade closes in our favor. Price finished below our entry, and the trend did exactly what it showed us it wanted to do. Now let's wait. Wait for the next perfect setup, just like this one. And when it comes, you'll know exactly what to do. Now here's something beautiful, a completely different chart. But watch how the same story repeats. Look at the left side. Buyers were pushing price up, higher and higher. And then, everything changed. One massive red candle, then another, and another. The whole mood of the market flipped in seconds. Count them. The sellers printed a long chain of red candles, far more than our minimum of 4. Momentum? Confirmed. Now we wait for our signal, and here it comes. A single white candle appears against all that selling pressure. One candle, the perfect version of our setup. We don't react, we observe. And the very next candle, red. The pullback is dead, the sellers never left. Confirmation candle closes, and on the next candle, we enter our sell. Same rules, same discipline, different chart. That's the whole point of trading a system. The trade is live. And once again, the market decides to test us. Look at this. A white candle forms, then another small one, and price starts creeping back up toward the entry line. This is the exact moment where an undisciplined trader destroys himself, closing early, doubling down, panicking. But you and I, we already know this game. A pullback inside a strong trend is normal. It's not a threat. It's just noise. Our setup was built on a confirmed trend and a failed reversal, and nothing on this chart has broken that structure. So we breathe, we hold, and look what happens. The white candles run out of strength, and the red pressure returns, exactly like the pattern promised. And the trade closes in our favor. Price finished below our entry, and the trend completed its move. Now let's wait. Wait for the next perfect setup, just like this one. And when it comes, you'll know exactly what to do. Now let's flip the direction. This time, the buyers are in charge. Look at this climb. White candle after white candle, a strong and steady push upward. The trend is clear, the momentum is real, and we count well past our minimum of 4. Then comes our signal, a small pullback against the trend. It pauses the move, and then the very next candle turns white again. Buyers are back. That's our confirmation. The candle closes, and on the next candle, we enter a buy. Notice something. This is the exact same process we used on both sell trades. Same counting, same patience, same entry rule. The direction changed, but the discipline didn't. Trade is live, and this time, the market has a different plan. Watch these red candles forming. One, then another, then another. Price slips below our entry line and keeps pressing down. Now pause here, because this moment matters more than any winning trade in this video. Everything we did was correct. The trend was strong, the pullback was valid, the confirmation was real. And still, price is going against us. That's not a mistake in the strategy. That's just trading. No pattern on any chart works every single time, and anyone who tells you otherwise is lying to you. So we do now exactly what we did before. Nothing. We don't add, we don't chase, we don't rage. We let the trade finish, and we accept whatever the chart decides. And this one doesn't go our way. Price finished right back at our entry, and the trade closes with nothing to show for it. 5 trades today, 4 in our favor, 1 not. And that's exactly what real trading looks like. The setup gives you an edge, never a guarantee. 1 loss means nothing when your process is right. And that's the lesson I want you to carry from this video. If you got real value today, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because on this channel, we learn the market the honest way, 1 setup at a time. See you in the next video. Trade safe, and wait for your setup.